Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present on an extremely important and fast-growing topic, graphic design and digital marketing, and how these two fields work together to build strong brands and successful businesses in the digital world. Whether it is social media, websites, mobile apps, or online ads, we are constantly surrounded by digital content. Behind every attractive post, professional advertisement, or successful brand, there is a powerful combination of creative design and strategic digital marketing. This presentation highlights how graphic design and digital marketing play a vital role in modern business growth. What is graphic design? Graphic design is the art of visual communication. It uses colors, typography, images, icons, and layouts to convey a message clearly and attractively. Graphic design includes logo design, social media posts, banners and posters, website layouts, brand identity design. Good design does not just look beautiful. It builds trust, improves recognition, and makes information easy to understand. /H3/strong. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the promotion of products or services using online platforms. It focuses on reaching the right audience at the right time through digital channels. Key areas of digital marketing include social media marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), content marketing, pay email marketing, online advertising. Under advertisement, digital marketing helps businesses grow faster, reach global audiences, and measure results accurately. Part H3, connection between graphic design and digital marketing in the next sentence. Marketing strategies may be strong, but without quality visuals, they fail to capture attention. A website needs a clean and user-friendly design. A brand needs consistent visuals across all platforms. Design attracts the audience, and marketing converts them into customers. Tools and platforms. Professionals use modern tools to create high-quality designs and marketing campaigns, such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop for design, Canva for quick visual content, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads for marketing, analytics tools to track performance. These tools help designers and marketers work efficiently and professionally. Strong benefits for businesses. The combination of graphic design and digital marketing provides strong brand identity, higher audience engagement, increased sales and conversions, better online visibility, long-term business growth. In today's competitive market, businesses without digital presence struggle to survive. Career opportunities. This field also offers excellent career opportunities. People can work as graphic designers, digital marketers, social media managers, brand strategists, freelancers, or agency professionals. With creativity and skill development, this industry has global demand. Conclusion. To conclude, graphic design and digital marketing are not optional anymore. They are essential. They shape how brands communicate, how customers perceive businesses, and how success is achieved in the digital world. By combining creativity with strategy, businesses and individuals can create powerful digital experiences that leave a lasting impact.